Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical component of your car's engine, the camshaft. Ever wondered what a camshaft does or why it's so important? By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand its functions, importance, and what happens when it goes bad. Make sure to distinguish between the camshaft and the crankshaft. But before we begin, hit that subscription button and turn on the notification bell so you're always the first to catch our latest automotive insights. Now, let's break down the detailed functions of the camshaft. Number 1. Controls valve timing. The primary function of the camshaft is to control the timing of the opening and closing of the engine's valves. The camshaft is equipped with lobes, also called cams, which push the valves open in sync with the engine's rotation, ensuring that fuel and air enter the combustion chamber at the right time and exhaust gases are expelled properly. Number 2. Regulates engine performance. The camshaft plays a pivotal role in determining the engine's performance characteristics. Different camshaft designs can influence the engine's power, torque, fuel efficiency, and emission levels. Performance-oriented camshafts can provide higher power at higher RPMs, whereas camshafts designed for fuel efficiency will optimize low RPM performance. Number 3. Synchronizes with crankshaft. The camshaft is synchronized with the crankshaft via a timing belt or chain. This synchronization ensures that the valves open and close at the correct intervals relative to the position of the pistons, preventing potential engine damage and ensuring smooth operation. Number 4. Affects engine breathing. Proper camshaft function is essential for the engine's breathing process. The design of the cam lobes dictates the valve lift and duration, impacting how much air-fuel mixture enters the combustion chamber and how efficiently exhaust gases are expelled. This directly affects engine power and efficiency. Number 5. Supports variable valve timing (VVT) systems. In modern engines, camshafts are integral to variable valve timing (VVT) systems, which adjust the valve timing dynamically to optimize performance across different engine speeds and loads. VVT systems help improve fuel economy, reduce emissions, and enhance overall engine performance. Now, why is the camshaft so important? The camshaft plays a vital role in the engine's performance and efficiency. Without it, the engine wouldn't be able to breathe properly, leading to poor combustion and reduced power output. A well-functioning camshaft ensures that the engine runs smoothly, efficiently, and reliably. Number 1. Engine efficiency. A well-functioning camshaft is crucial for the engine's efficiency. By precisely controlling the timing and duration of valve openings, the camshaft ensures optimal combustion, leading to better fuel economy and reduced emissions. Number 2. Power output. The camshaft directly influences the engine's power output. High-performance camshafts can significantly boost the engine's horsepower and torque, enhancing the vehicle's acceleration and overall driving experience. Number 3. Engine longevity. Proper valve timing prevents undue stress on engine components, reducing wear and tear. This contributes to the engine's longevity, minimizing the risk of costly repairs and extending the life of your vehicle. Number 4. Smooth engine operation. The camshaft's role in synchronizing the valves with the pistons ensures smooth engine operation. A well-timed engine runs more quietly and smoothly, providing a better driving experience and reducing vibrations. Number 5. Emission control. By precisely controlling the air-fuel mixture and exhaust gas expulsion, the camshaft helps maintain compliance with emission standards. This not only protects the environment but also ensures that the vehicle remains street legal. So, what happens if the camshaft goes bad? Here are some symptoms to watch out for. Number 1. Engine misfires. One of the most common symptoms of a bad camshaft is engine misfiring. A damaged or worn camshaft can lead to improper valve timing, causing the engine to misfire, run rough, or stall. Number 2. Loss of power. A failing camshaft can result in a noticeable loss of engine power. The engine may struggle to accelerate, and you might experience reduced performance, especially at higher speeds. Number 3. Unusual noises. A damaged camshaft or camshaft bearings can produce unusual noises, such as ticking, tapping, or knocking sounds coming from the engine. These noises are often more pronounced during startup or acceleration. Number 4. Check engine light. Modern vehicles are equipped with sensors that monitor various engine components, including the camshaft. A failing camshaft can trigger the check engine light, alerting you to the issue. Diagnostic trouble codes related to camshaft position sensors or timing issues may also be stored in the vehicle's computer. Number 5. Increased emissions. A bad camshaft can disrupt the precise timing of the valves, leading to incomplete combustion and higher emissions. You may notice a failed emissions test or increased exhaust smoke, indicating an issue with the camshaft. The camshaft is not just a component of your car's engine, it's a crucial player in valve timing, engine performance, and overall efficiency. Recognizing the symptoms of a bad camshaft can help you address issues early and prevent further damage. If you suspect a problem with your camshaft, it's important to have it inspected and repaired by a professional mechanic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive insights.